I'm Nina Ross, and this is Andy Bryan, and we're both barristers at 12 King's Bench Walk Chambers, specialising in personal injury law. So Andy, in relation to limitation, what are some of the pitfalls associated with the service of proceedings?
Well, service of proceedings is difficult for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's very strict prescriptive technical code, and secondly, you have no margin for error. If you making a small mistake, your claim is out of time, even that causes no prejudice or even inconvenience to the other side. There's a recent case which illustrates this, a Supreme Court case called Barton and Wright-Hassel. This was a professional negligence claim, and the claimant represented himself. He issued proceedings just within the limitation period, and then he tried to serve them on the defence solicitors just in the 4-month service period. He did this by sending all the relevant documents to the solicitors by email on the last day of service in the morning. Now, the defence solicitors not said explicitly, we accept service by email, which meant that technically that was not effective service. The defence solicitor said nothing. They did not, for example, say, we don't accept email, please drop them around by hand. Instead, they waited a few weeks and then said, you've served wrongly, your claim is out of time. Mr. Barton sought to challenge that, but that failed, and the Supreme Court held 3-2 against him. The result was that because of a very, very minor glitch, his claim was irredeemably struck out for being time barred, and he had no remedy. And this was notwithstanding the fact that the defendant had received all the documents within time. One of Lord Sumption's rationales was that the service rules were easy to understand and to follow. That is debatable, I would say. What might be easy for Lord Sumption to understand is perhaps rather less easy for the rest of us to understand. My own view is that these are quite a complex set of rules, and that practitioners need to be very aware of the pitfalls they carry, because, as the case of Barton illustrates, the consequences of even a minor slip can be catastrophic.